ball left wing. Jackson splashes it home. Kayla draws the double, fights through it, and goes up with the
this ball game and try to affect it. You need to be careful with 2 fouls.
Mastriano finally gets one of those steps.
/brand recharge.
Sidestep 3, Aaliyah McQueen knocking down her second. Good find by Kylie, perfect bounce pass. She's got 6. Quickly up ahead, Michaela Jackson. And Jackson, they catch a couple of the black jerseys. That one was deflected.
Yeah. Good finish
but
there.
There's the bucket for last.
For their defense, but they have brought it all afternoon.
Jasmine Edwards with the step back 11-footer. Tremendous defensive possession here right now by Purdue Fort Wayne. And Edwards. Kayla finding Maya Anderson, and Maya high post, and Jazz gets down. That was an unintended pass to Edwards, and McQueen there to walk out of Detroit with an 84-68 win, and are inching their way up the Horizon League standings. Tara and I back with Titan Tilt against Robert Morris coming up later this week. Join us if you can't make it out here, and so long.